Hi everyone, Olive here. How are you? These are just some hints and tips and some strategies to produce the B sound. This is not therapy. These are just strategies and some pictures to help you make the B sound. You will need to contact your speech and language therapist for further intervention, resources, and support. Okay, let's get started. We're going to try and make a B sound. How do we do that? Put your lips together. Ba, ba, ba. Your lips should be together, tightly together. Ba, ba, ba. Bounce your lips off one another. Ba, ba, ba. Feel the air pushing out of your mouth. Ba, ba, ba. It sounds kind of loud. Put your hand on your neck. Ba, ba, ba. You will feel that sound coming from your neck. Ba, ba, ba. Wow, good job. If you're doing that, great work. Look at the sound the ba makes. Ball, ball, ball. There are our lips again. Put them together and let's make the sound. Ba, ba, ba. Good on you. Well done. Ball, ball, ball. Ben has a big boot. Can you believe it? Ba, ba, ba. Ben's big boot, boot, boot. Let's try and say some of these words, putting our lips together and saying ba, ba, ba. Let's see what word we'll practice first. B, B, B. Remember, put those lips together. B, 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 B. Lots of practice. Lips together now, and let's do this with our Peter Pointer. B, 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 B. Good job. Great work. You are fantastic. Look at our sheep. Wow, it's a lovely sheep who says ba, ba, ba. Remember, when you see that picture of those lips, put your lips together. Ba, ba, ba. You're just so good. Ba, ba, ba. More practice. Let's get our Peter Pointer and point to those sheep. Ba, ba, ba. Are your lips together when you're making your ba sound? Ba, ba, ba. Good job. Good work. Ooh, I got a bit of a fright. Boo, boo, boo. Always keep those lips together. Boo, boo. Well done, you. Fantastic. Boo, boo, boo. More practice? Really? Let's get our fingers ready. Peter Pointer, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Let's get ready. Point our finger at the boo. Boo. Lips together. Boo, 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 boo. Your lips should be bouncing. Boo, boo, boo. Well done. Oh, that is so pretty. A bow, bow. Remember, did you put your lips together? Bow, bow, bow. Good job, good work. Excellent. Well done. It's a beautiful bow for my hair. Bow, bow. More practice. Can you believe it? Here's your pointer, ready to go. Bow, 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 bow. Good job. It's Bob, and he's saying bye. Lips together. You ready? Get those lips together. Bye. Bye. Waving bye. Ready? You know what this means. Get your finger. Lips together. Bye. 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 Super. Look, all of the words are here. Bee. Boo. Bye. Ba. Bow. Good job, everybody, and well done. And don't forget to keep those lips together. B, b, b. Goodbye.